Hello, this picture shows a drone. It's called a Forpost. It's used by Russia. It was developed in Israel and manufactured in Russia under license. A new contract for manufacturing was signed in August of 2021. Now, it would seem that in the early hours between 2 and 3 in the morning on the 15th of March, one of these drones from Russia actually went into Polish airspace, and therefore this was in NATO airspace. This is the first time that there has been Russian aircraft in NATO airspace, I believe, since this war in Ukraine actually started. Now, it needs to be pointed out that neither NATO nor the Polish authorities have confirmed this. This information comes from the Ukrainians. Now, the Forpost drone itself has a range, I believe, of 250 kilometers, which would suggest to me that it must have actually flown from Belarus. It wouldn't have reached from Russian occupied territory, reached and then been able to go back. It would seem that it was flown to Yavoriv, to probably see the damage that they'd done in this cruise missile attack, which took place on Sunday morning, which led to the deaths of 35 people, and currently now 134 are in hospital. So that's much more than what I reported from there on Sunday morning. So the Yavoriv is only about 12 kilometers or so from the Polish border. So it's very, very close. It's much closer than what was reported on many news channels. I don't know why they didn't just bother looking it up on Google Maps. It would have been much easier for them. So the information, as I said, comes from Ukraine, but we don't know. The drone was actually shot down in Ukraine. So more details about this, I think, will come out later. So I thought I want to say that one very quickly, and lots of information not confirmed. So when it becomes confirmed, I'll put that in the comments section below. Thanks for listening.